Hello, my name is Grant Miles, and I am a Boy Scout with Troop 22 of Owensville, Missouri. I am currently working on my Eagle project for a small non-profit called Earth's Classroom, which is located south of Rosebud, Missouri. Earth's Classroom was my first pick because it has helped me and over 83,000 participants of all age categories have a better understanding of biology, ecology, and the natural resources here in the Ozarks of Missouri. My Eagle project is the installation of a solar-based power system at Earth's Classroom to provide them with lighting and receptacles. This lighting will replace the current existing propane and battery-powered lanterns that currently light their facility. Earth's Classroom having access to receptacles will also allow them to have the ability to run AV equipment, audio-visual equipment. The reason that Earth's Classroom was needing this is because in previous years, as I said earlier, they were running off of propane and battery-powered lanterns, and in order to run projectors, which they have had to do in the past, as you see on your screen right now, they have had to run over 300 feet of extension cords from a nearby residence just to have power, and that power itself wasn't that great because it had to run so far. I am asking you to help support me and Earth's Classroom in fundraising for this project. My project will cost roughly $2,200, and I need any and all support I can get to help provide Earth's Classroom with this power system. If you would like to support, you can scan this QR code or use the link in the description to access Earth's Classroom's Venmo, or if you do not have Venmo and you would like another way to pay, you can mail a check to Earth's Classroom address, which is right here. If you do mail a check to Earth's Classroom, please include a note that says this is for the Eagle Scout Project fundraiser. Thank you so much for supporting me and Earth's Classroom in this journey.